In this short training video, we're going to show you how you make and receive calls using the T31G desk phone.
Okay, so I'm going to place a call to the phone right now. There we go, call the organisation.
And I can answer the call either using the speaker button, the headset button, the answer button, or simply lifting the receiver. Hi Rob, how you doing?
Hello, yeah, I can hear you loud and clear. Let me hang that up.
Likewise, if I want to make a phone call, I can either dial a full phone number or I can dial an internal extension. Let's try that now. After dialing the extension, I can either press the speaker button, the call button, or just lift the receiver and the phone will dial it for me.
I can now answer it on this mobile extension. Hello.
Hi Rob, and one more feature, while I'm on the call, I can reduce or increase the volume of Robert's voice using the volume buttons on the handset. That concludes how you make and receive calls using the T31G phone.